welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do an unpackaging. Really cute. Love this. From Peach Life. I'll try to leave their link down below. I found them on eBay. Yes, it's eBay. They have multiple different cups. Alright, so I got the large, the affiliate, and here is the bag. And the cup I got is the pink large. I think they only come, or the peach colored one. This calls it the rose cup. So that is what that looks like. And I don't think it was very expensive. I'm not sure. I think it was not that expensive as the other cups. But I wanted to try it because it does have the hook, the ring around it, and I figured it'd be easy to remove. Also, I got the large because I have a high cervix. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.